What is your take from being here in China on the brewing trade friction, if you will? Some are saying it's already getting into a bit of a war. What's your perspective on it?
Well, first, Steve, I just want to thank you for being here. Thank you for having me. It's good to be back in China, and it's nice to spend some time with you this morning. Look, the relationship between China and the United States is a hugely important economic relationship. There's no question that the level of friction around the trade discussion has been escalating, and in the context of that, that's leading to some uncertainty and some question about where this will all go. Obviously hard to predict at this point. Market participants are watching it very, very closely, but to the degree that it escalated more significantly, it would be bad for both China and the United States. So my hope would be that the rhetoric gets put aside, and over time here, there's a constructive solution that's worked through. But I'm watching this as you are, and we'll have to wait to see how it all plays out.
What are you getting from your Chinese clients when you come here and meet with them? I'm sure it's at the top of their list of concerns.
Well, certainly, everybody's talking about it, and the implications if this escalated to an all-out trade war, there'd be implications on market activity, there'd be implications on investment, there'd be implications both here in China and for U.S. clients. So people are watching it, people are interested in seeing how this unfolds. And everyone's hopeful, because this relationship is so important, that there'll be a constructive solution and we all move forward.
We heard from Lloyd Blankfein just yesterday saying that this was more a negotiating tactic, perhaps, from the White House, and that both sides are not going to be conducting mutual suicides here. Would you agree with that?
It's certainly in the interest of both parties to find a constructive solution. So I think Lloyd's referring to the fact that if people do what's economically in their medium and long run interests, we should get a solution over some period of time.